My name is Alejandro Ashe. I would say that if you're looking for a challenge and you're looking to grow in your future, career track, this program has been that for me. Right on campus, there's a speech and language clinic where clients are able to come from on campus as well as off campus, and as students we get to interact under the supervision of qualified clinicians. We get to interact in a very practical way and apply the things we're learning in the classroom with real people, real cases of people who are struggling with a broad spectrum of communication difficulties. I don't know if I touched on this enough, that the practical hands-on experience within this field at this program has been and is going to continue to be this year probably the capstone for me.